Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Beautiful ladies and girls, are you tired of spending hours standing your hair every morning? It's time to embrace the beauty of low maintenance shortcuts. Short hair is not just a trend, it's lifestyle that saves your time and keeps you looking fresh. In this 5-minute lookbook, we are sharing the best wash and wear styles that requires almost zero effort. Let's find your perfect easy to manage look. First of all, in this classic tapered pixie is the ultimate time saver because the hair is cut close to the scalp. On the sides and back there's no tangles and no need for heavy heat styling. As you see in these slides, a teeny bit of hair cream or gel is all you need to define the layers. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's ready to go second you wake up. Next, I have the blunt bob. By keeping the hair at one length, you avoid the fleeky ends that comes with layers. It's sleek and style in place naturally. I also love style the embrace your natural texture, whether it's wavy or straight. Short hair allows your natural volume to shine without the wait for long strands. Just air dry, add a little serum, and you are out the door. Low maintenance hair does not mean low style, it means more time for you. Which of these easy looks would you try? Let me know in the comments. If you want more tips on how to simplify your beauty routine, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and must share your bestie and share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion, and as soon as possible I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you. So beautiful ladies and girls, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.